Welcome to this detailed tutorial on updating the page URL in WordPress. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, you will notice a login option located in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Clicking this login option will take you to the sign in page, where you have a fast and secure method to access your account. On the sign in page, you will see the option to continue using your Google account. Select the Continue with Google option and then choose your account from the list that appears. This method streamlines the login process and allows you to bypass entering a username and password manually, ensuring you can quickly move on to making changes on your site. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself at the WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the area dedicated to managing your posts. There is a section clearly identified as Posts, and clicking on it will display the complete list of your published content. This overview gives you quick access to every post on your site, which is particularly useful if you need to update multiple entries over time. Within the Post section, locate and click on the Quick Edit option. This simple feature is designed to let you make prompt adjustments to your post details without fully reopening the post in the editor. Quick Edit provides convenient access to various configuration settings, including the URL slug field. The URL slug is the element of the page URL that comes after your website's domain, and it plays a significant role in search engine optimization and user navigation. Once you have activated the Quick Edit mode, focus on the URL slug field. In this field, remove the current text and type in your new desired slug. It is important to select a slug that is both descriptive and concise to ensure that visitors and search engines can easily understand the content of the page. Changing the URL slug not only refreshes the appearance of the URL, but can also contribute positively by aligning with your site's content strategy and keyword focus. After you finish editing the URL slug, your next action is to save this change. Look for the Update button in the Quick Edit interface. Clicking the Update button confirms that your new URL slug is applied and that the changes are saved on your WordPress site. Once updated, the new URL structure is immediately reflected on the page, marking the completion of the process. This tutorial has provided a clear and methodical approach to modifying the page URL in WordPress. By starting at the homepage and logging in with your Google account, you quickly reach the dashboard and access the Post section. From there, using Quick Edit streamlines the process of adjusting the URL slug. Finally, saving your changes with the Update button secures the new page URL, ensuring it is live and accessible to your site visitors. Following these instructions carefully will enable you to manage your site's URL structure with ease. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency of this WordPress feature and feel confident in your ability to keep your website up to date and optimized for both users and search engines.